If you've been thinking about starting a business and you're wondering what type of business you should get started with, you need to make sure that you listen to this video, because today I'm going to explain to you why digital products is the best business for a beginner to get started with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara, and if you are new here on this channel, I teach you guys how to use your gifts, passions, talents, education, knowledge, experience, anything that you can capitalize off of. I teach you guys how to take it and monetize it to fit your brand so that you can live a life that you desire to live. So when it comes to starting a business, there are so many different businesses that you can get started with. You have drop shipping, you have e-commerce, you have digital products, you have a brick and mortar business that you can get started with. There are so many different routes that you can take when it comes to starting a business. But I want to explain to you guys in today's video why digital products is going to be the best route to take for any beginner. Even if you're someone who already has started businesses and you're just looking for an extra way to make money, this still will help you guys. So when it comes to starting a digital product business, in case you don't know what a digital product is something you can sell digitally. This can be a audio file, it can be a PDF file, a ebook, a course, a template, any kind of spreadsheet, like anything that you can sell digitally without you having to send a physical product will be considered a digital product. When it comes to starting a digital product business, you can literally get started with $0, you guys. The only thing you would need is Canva, ChatGPT, and a free website to host your PDF file or whatever digital product you choose to start with. And you can choose something like Gumroad or PayHip, which is free to use. So when it comes to starting a digital product business is going to be the best route to take, because if you have experience in something, if you are passionate about doing something, if you're someone who just started just getting into fitness content and you're one of those fitness girls now, you can literally record yourself and you can start making money from selling a digital product to help someone. So when it comes to a digital product business, no matter what you like to do, no matter what you do on a daily basis, it's a way for you to do what you already do on a daily basis by packaging it up into knowledge, into a course or whatever, and you're able to sell it so that you can make money. So let's just say, for instance, if you are a mom of 5 and every single week you have to go to Target and grocery shop and you're grocery shopping on a budget, you can help other women who have 5+ kids by helping them to come up with food ideas so that they can have a budget for the week. There are so many different ways that you can capitalize off of selling digital products in any industry. Even if you're someone who's saying, I don't have kids and the only thing I get up and do is go to work every single day, no matter what job title you have, there is someone somewhere that wants to know how to do the same job that you have. They want to know what you do. They want to know how to get on. Like, you can help them create their resume. You can help them to find corporate jobs. Like, there are so many different ways to capitalize off of what you are doing, you guys. And that's why it's so important to get started with a digital product. When it comes to a digital product, what you can do if you're someone who's saying, you don't have the funds to buy a course and spend $500 to learn something, you can literally go on ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT to help you to come up with a niche to go into. When it comes to a niche is going to be a specific thing that you're going to talk about. So what you can do is go on ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT the things that you are passionate about. You can tell ChatGPT the things you have experience in. Whatever it is that you want to talk about, you can give ChatGPT content about yourself, so that way it's able to help you to understand what niche you need to go into to, as well as how you're going to be able to target a specific group, help them with the problem that they are currently having. So let's just say, for instance, if you're someone who's working out every single day and you want to go into the fitness industry, you can tell ChatGPT, hey, my name is such and such. I work out every single day, and right now I like to target my abs and my butt. Can you help me to understand who my niche is so that I can start a digital product business, and I want to post content online to capitalize off of to get paid? Can you help me come up with a strategy for me to be able to monetize my platform, and tell me who it is that I need to talk to and the specifics that I need to give them every single day to help them solve a problem? And ChatGPT will literally give you guys everything you need, and the more detailed you are, the better it is. So if you're someone who doesn't even know how to use ChatGPT, I want you to go down below and I want you to go ahead and grab my ChatGPT prompt ebook. In this ebook, I tell you guys exactly how to use ChatGPT so that you're able to train it to be your personal assistant. ChatGPT has literally helped me to make my first 10K in 4 months because I use ChatGPT as a personal assistant. Every detail that I use, I'm giving it to you guys, and I'm giving it to you guys in this ebook so that you're able to train ChatGPT just as I've done, so that you're able to launch your digital products, you're able to create your content, and you're able to do all of these things at ease without having to worry about what you need to post, what you need to say, or how you need to get your digital product business up and launched. Like, everything you need is going to be included in this ebook so that you're able to write prompts specifically tailored to what you need so that you can train AI so that it's able to be your personal assistance in your digital product business. So if you want to get started with that, you can literally go down below in the description as well as in the comments and go ahead and grab that today. But you guys, when it comes to your digital product business, you really have to understand that you can start with $0, or you can start with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is going to be a private label right product. That means that you have the rights to resell something that you purchase and keep 100% of the profits. Now, I will tell you guys, when I first started my digital product business, I started with a PLR digital product, and that's because it was the easiest route to take so that I was able to get my business up and launched without having to rethink, without having to worry about what to put in my digital product or taking so much time. Like, when you start your digital product business, you want to make sure that you already have something to sell or something to give away as a freebie so that you're able to collect those emails, that once your digital product is created, you're able to sell it to them that way. But you want to make sure that you're either collecting that email or you're selling the digital product, because just say, for instance, you start posting content and then your content blows up in a week. Like, you don't want a lot of people to come to your page and then you don't have a call to action. In every post that you post on every social media platform, no matter which one you choose to use, you want to make sure that you're able to have a call to action at the end of every video or in the middle of a video if you're doing like me with long form videos. Like, you have to make sure that you have somewhere for your audience to go. You can't expect to start selling digital products and you don't even have anything to sell them. So you have to already be prepared. And I like to say, stay prepared, be ready so you don't have to get ready. That's the best thing you can do. Like, you want to already have everything in place so that way once you start posting this content and something takes off for you and people start getting on your page and asking questions or they're ready to purchase, you do not miss those sales. That's very important to make sure that you go ahead and have in the beginning. But when it comes to your digital products, you guys, like, this is one of those businesses where you're able to make unlimited money, and you guys, you don't have to work hard to do it. Like, all you have to do is post content every single day, stay consistent, make sure you know who it is you're talking to when you first get started, and you can literally start making thousands of dollars. There are so many different people who are becoming millionaires, multi-millionaires, just from selling digital digital products, and that alone lets you know like this is in demand. You have to stop thinking that everything is a scam. You have to stop thinking that everything has a catch to it, and you have to be willing to take the risk. Like anytime you want to start a business, it's always going to be a risk that's attached to it. But one thing I can tell you guys, as someone who's been an entrepreneur full time for the last 8 years, every risk that you take, you're planting a seed. So even if something don't work out for you, that does not mean that a lesson didn't come. Like God is going to prepare you before you receive the full harvest that you've been praying for. So I want you to know, like, even if you start this business and you don't stick to the first thing that you get started with, that's okay. That still don't mean that you failed. That just means that God rerouted you in a different direction. But I do want you to understand that digital products is going to be one of those businesses that you can literally get started with, so that you're able to start making money right now. Like, it does not take a lot to get started. You have to just make sure that you're either putting in time or you're paying out money to get started. And when I say putting in time, that means taking the time to create your digital product using ChatGPT and uploading it into Canva. Or you can be someone who pays to get started like I did, which is with PLR Digital Products. And if you need a PLR digital product, you can also go down below in my description as well as in my comments, and you can grab my PLR mini course where I'm teaching you step by step of what to do, how to do it, and I'm giving you different digital products for you to choose from so that you can go ahead and get launched in 24 hours. This is the exact steps that I took in order for me to make my first 10K in 4 months with these PLR digital products. So get that if you want to go ahead and get started without you having to overcomplicate things and start doing it on your own. Like digital products, you can literally be asleep and you can still make money. You can go to sleep with $0 and wake up with 500. That is the power of selling on social media with digital products. And when I say it's mostly all profits, it's literally mostly all profits. The only thing you have to pay out is for your website. And for me, I do use the pro version for Stand Store, and that costs me $100 a month. But you guys, you don't even have to start with that. You can literally get started with Gumroad or with PayHip and pay $0 to get started. The only thing you will have to do is just pay the processing fees once you have just made the money. So you're not spending money to make money. You're literally just uploading your ebook or your course onto these platforms, and you're creating content, you guys, to drive traffic to your platform. So that is exactly how easy it is, and this is going to always be the business that I tell people to start with, because I have started multiple businesses throughout these 8 years. But you guys, digital products is one of those businesses where you literally do not have to put in a lot of work. You do not have to put in a lot of time. All you have to do is just take about 2 hours a day, create the freaking content on one platform, stick to it, and then you guys will start seeing sales. But you have to make sure that you have a strategy and you start right the first time. Don't wait until you done started creating content and then decide that you want to add ChatGPT to help you as a personal assistant. No, go ahead and grab it today, so that way when you get started, you will be starting the correct way and you will have a digital product to sell once you first get started. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.